What's up, guys? It's Jazz. Welcome to the March BarkBox unboxing. I've got Dolly and Merle with me today, and we're just gonna hop right on into it. As you guys know, BarkBox is a subscription-based service here in the US. I don't know if they ship globally or not, but this month's theme is Madagascar Unleashed. Trying to hide the box so we can't chew on it the whole time. So the first two things we're gonna pull out are the toys, and they're so cute. And if you've ever watched the ones in Madagascar, all I can think of is, it's Mort! Oh, hi. Hi, your face got real close to mine there. Okay. Hi. I'm glad you like it. I was gonna make more King Julian jokes, but apparently not. After that, we have, I think it's an owl. That's just a regular squishy toy. This, however, it's an interactive toy, but I've never seen one like this where it stretches. Sir, wait. No. Wait. Where it stretches and then goes back in. So I am going to go ahead and give this to them. Wait. No. Take. Good. And then, of course, we've got our treats. So we know they're going to like them. We do have some new ones though. We've got some Fluffy Yummies, and they are chicken treats. I don't really like chicken treats. I'm not going to taste like them. They're chicken chews that they absolutely love. And some more jerky sticks. Ooh, we haven't had these in a little bit. I love cutting these up because they're great training treats for me to kibble. So looking at the options, oh, it was an owl. So you could have gotten an owl, a frog, an iguana. Or I kind of wish you got the iguana. The hoopoe, which I've never heard of before, but it looks kind of like a toucan-esque kind of bird. A lemur, a bao, which was a small only, and what looks to be similar to an anteater that has a name I cannot pronounce. Or a cockroach, or a different lemur, or 3 different lemurs. So yeah, as you can see, he's very ready for the treats, aren't you? Lemur. Lemur. I love the colors of that lemur. That is so cute. Yeah, that was a real quick BarkBox unboxing because they took the toys immediately. I'm just gonna let this footage put up for later so you guys can see them playing with it. So yeah, that is the March BarkBox unboxing, and we have the April one. Actually, I think we just got it yesterday. So we got the April one coming up. But yeah, I think we just got that one yesterday. So we have the April one coming up, and then we have the 9-month BarkBox, or 9-month BarkBox video coming up because you guys are almost 9 months old already. I don't know how we're already in April. Yes, I'm filming this a month after it came in because I got really behind and just had boxes sitting there waiting to be filmed. I finally caught up. I'm probably just going to film the April one immediately so I can stay caught up. So whenever I get the next BarkBox in, I can just finish editing it and then we can start uploading. What do you guys think about that? You don't care, you just want to play. Your sister just hoarded all of the toys. I'm impressed. You guys want to go? Just want some heads. And as you can see, they obviously got their first big haircuts. And the dirty thing because it's rained like half this week. So our backyard is just some fun. But yeah, that is the March 2022. That is really hard to say. March 2022 BarkBox. Say that 5 times fast. March 22 BarkBox, 2022. I couldn't even say it twice, I messed up on the first one. And we will see you guys for the April one. Bye. Are you gonna fall? Are you gonna fall? You're so relaxed and fall. perfect ending to that video.